organic learning.
Hey guys! Today we're opening up this Hot Wheels 9-pack, which features this awesome exclusive decoration car. Wow! Are you ready? Let's get started! So first up, we're going to look at the exclusive decoration car right here. Now, this is a 2009 Corvette ZR1. You can see it's a really beautiful copper metallic color. It has white and black designs on it. You can see into the interior, which is really pretty. A nice chrome finish. Let's see. So the Corvette ZR1 is powered by a supercharged and intercooled 6.2 liter engine and has 638 horsepower. That's insane. That is too much horsepower? Maybe? But this bad boy goes 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Top speed, 205 miles per hour. Wow. This car was actually the most powerful car ever offered by Chevy at the time. I'm not sure what has surpassed it since, but this guy held the title at least in 2009. Wow. I've never seen this car on the road, but I bet someone has. Okay. Up next is Grease Rod. This fun-looking car is part pirate ship, part hot rod. Oh, you've never heard of a part pirate ship, part hot rod car before? That's strange because no one has. I cannot imagine seeing this on the street. But that's because this is from the cartoon Team Hot Wheels Build the Epic Race. So it's a fantasy car, clearly, and it has 5 cannons. So 2 on each side and then 1 at the front. It's driven by the evil Captain Greasebeard. Kind of a gross name, but probably pretty apt. This is so funny. I wonder what it looks like on the street. I wonder if anybody has tried to make like their own version of this car. Like the back of it kind of looks like Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, right? I wonder if it can also fly. It's so funny. Okay, that's the Grease Rod. That's fun. Next up, we have the Gazella R, another fantasy car, which I think is part of the Hot Wheels Exotic series. You can see it's a really pretty blue color with orange and chrome detailing. I mean, this guy looks like it would be super fast. And I think the R in Gazella R stands for racing. I mean, if this isn't a race car, I don't know what it is. Because this is definitely a race car. In the top, it looks like a really futuristic car, like something you might see in like The Fifth Element, with a completely, like a top that's just a sunroof. That's pretty funny. Or a moonroof, because maybe it doesn't open? I don't know. Okay, that's the Gazella R. Next up is the Bedlam. What? Very similar color scheme to the Gazella. It is another Hot Wheels fantasy car, and it's a 2-door coupe utility, which looks a lot like looks a lot like a Ford Ranchero or a Chevy El Camino. I would say it might be the mullet of cars, because it's a car in the front and a truck in the back. I bet this is useful for moving, though. Yeah, look at those wheels. They're a nice, like, shiny blue with orange. Wow. This is cool. I bet if this car was made in real life, it would be super long. Like, too long to park in a normal parking space, I bet. Might be kind of annoying. There you go. That's the Bedlam. Next up, we have the Hot Wheels PD Interceptor in a very cool, kind of like retro robin's egg blue color. Has red, black, and blue designs. What does this say? Oh, it says Hot Wheels PD. I can read, I promise. Okay, it's 2 doors. So this is a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS body style. It's a 6-speed automatic. It can hit 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. So it's super fast, which means it's probably great for chasing down bad guys. Oh, look, and it has the bumper in the front, like a proper police car. Cool. Interceptor. What a cool car. All right, next up, we have the 65 Pontiac GTO. This is a cool silver car with some black details on it. The GTO was a popular muscle car. It has a 389 engine, and it is rated at 360 horsepower. Wow. This bad boy goes 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds. Top speed, 114 miles per hour. Wow. I feel like I've seen this car on the road before. Kind of a muscle car. Vroom, vroom. Wait, I already said it's a muscle car. Of course it is. Ooh, and look at the interior. That's very neat. Cool! Okay, next up. Oh no, what is this? This is a Porsche 356A Outlaw. Wow. So this is part of a multi-pack exclusive that was customized by Magnus Walker, aka the Porsche King. It's red with some yellow and white accents. This is a really cool looking car. I feel like this is a car you'd probably see in Europe. Looks a little compact, like you would drive it on the Autobahn. Cool. Next up. Oh my goodness. This is a Diesel Boy, which is another fantasy vehicle by Hot Wheels. It was first produced in 2006, and it features a V10 engine, which means it must be crazy fast. It's a really nice, like, deep red color, almost a burgundy. You can see like the shiny chrome engine. Ooh, and you can look at the top through that. This is another very cool, like, futuristic looking car with nice chrome details, some honeycomb design in the front. Wow. It kind of looks like a bug, but also a futuristic car. Okay, last but not least, the Nissan Fairlady Z. Look at this beautiful blue color. It almost matches our background. Some black stripes and detailing. So this is a driver's sports car. Ooh, it's a 2-seater. It has an inline-6 engine, and of course, designed in the well-known GT shape. This is a super intense car. I bet it goes super fast. And I wonder if anybody has seen this on the road. I bet I have, but I just didn't know what it was called. But this is definitely a street racing car. Probably not a car to go get groceries with. Okay. Okay, it's time to go. We hope you had fun opening up this really awesome Hot Wheels 9-pack. Bye-bye. See you next time.
If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you!